Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to unhide columns. So as example, I will hide columns. You can select at this column, right click and then choose hide, and the next I will hide again at this column. Now if you want to unhide columns, you can select like from this column B into E, and you can right click and then choose unhide column. So it will be show for the hide column. Okay, we'll click again at this point into here, right click, and then you can choose unhide. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to unhide columns. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.